Hey y'all, there it is. That's the finished product there. We threw the side panel on just to see what kind of clearance we had, and it doesn't look too bad. Not sure how it's going to react with the shoulder, with the seat. I mean, we don't get real close, but we'll see. Maybe the elbow will fall right into that little gap in between the two tanks there. Who knows? But next is to put some water in this bad boy and run the water through both the radiators, the system, and check everything for leaks. Throw some fuel, I guess, in the tanks and at least get them up above those brass deals to make sure those aren't going to leak or anything. And I still got to do something about caps. Those caps came off these old tanks. They certainly don't screw on and off these new tanks as easily as they do on the old ones. I don't know if that's just because they've been on and off so many times on the old one. Everything rides up with wear, right? Wears in. But they're real tight on here. Maybe that's a good thing. Who knows? But that's all we've got left with the fuel tanks is to get some caps that'll seal up and won't leak or vent because we've got the vent on the top. But that's it. There you go. We get this thing going. What other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make another air tube. The one for the RV won't fit the RVS. The water pipe on the RV is back here, so this is actually in the way of the tube, the fresh air tube to keep the ignition cool that we used at MIS that worked. So we'll make up another one for this one here. We make it out of this stuff here. The wife brings it home from work. She works at that building company, and they make their own blueprints and what have you. So yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll fit it up through here, cut it into pieces, and fit it together, glue it together, and then we'll wrap it in tinfoil tape like we did with the other one, and put a sticker on it. But just to get some fresh air down there, make sure that thing stays cool, even if we get the water where we want it with the extra radiator. It's there, so let's go ahead and use it, right? That's about it for right now. We'll bring you some more when we get to getting it. Got to clean up the garage and get a bunch of tools and stuff put away. The place was a mess. So we'll bring you some more when we've got something to show you. Maybe we'll bring you a little footage of this thing running in a day or two. That's it. Talk to y'all later.